Hello and welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is use time insights to improve time management. As artificial intelligence continues to proliferate, Google has been building new technology into its existing software suites. With Time Insights, you can get a quick at-a-glance view of who you meet with and how you spend your time. Let's look at how to use Time Insights. Open Google Calendar and select More Insights from the menu on the left under Time Insights. Check how much time you spend in meetings overall or with a specific person. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.